The 5 base form. I first saw this pattern in book number 5 of the Jimmy H. Wu Kung Fu San Soo Association manuals. In the manuals, they are forms 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. A San Soo fighting form consists of 26 moves. It can be considered an alphabet. The 5 base form would be a 6-month form. 1 move a day. Each base is a different month than the whole 5 base form for a month. And the pattern could grow into a 1-year form, and so on. Base 1 form begins with a salute and Jung Hao and ends at move 25. The Jung Hao is the first 6 moves of any 26-move form. Move number 26 of a form is a closing salute. Bases 2 through 5 begin at move 7. There is no Jung Hao, ending on base 5 with the final salute. There are transitions between each base. When I opened Reader's Kung Fu School, I put this pattern on the floor and used it to help train stances and footwork. Notice my feet are always on the dots, except when there is no weight being applied, like the kick stance and the step slide. Also, my hips are parallel to the straight lines. This pattern defines the geometry of our stances. This is our balance, our frames. This is our form. Without proper alignment, we are weak. At first, I only saw it as a flat surface for footwork, like the poles in the old Kung Fu movies. What the pattern has revealed to me over the years is much more than just a flat surface. At Reader's Kung Fu School, we call the 5 base form the diamond theory. First of all, this pattern is ancient. It falls into the realm of sacred geometry. We do not really know where it comes from. Sacred geometry is the belief that God created the universe according to a geometric plan. The study of sacred geometry has its roots in the study of nature and the mathematical principles at work therein. Many forms observed in nature can be related to geometry. For example, the chambered nautilus grows at a constant rate, and so its shell forms a logarithmic spiral to accommodate that growth without changing shape. The diamond pattern is like the nautilus. No matter how big or little the pattern is, the geometrical properties remain the same. And it is in everything we do in San Soo. Let me stress that. Everything we do fits the geometrical shape. Here is an example of a small and large diamond pattern being combined to create a wrist locking leverage. Notice how everything matches the lines. This is the geometry and physics behind the Liga family of Kung Fu San Soo. The 5 base form also represents a mandala. A mandala comes from Buddhism and it means circle. As Master Ted would say, many wars and many lives have been lost over religious beliefs, but no one has ever died over spirituality. You start your circle of learning on base 1, and as you progress through the bases over a 4-year period of time, when you reach the center and finish with the final salute, you look at where you started and you say, I am a different person now. I'm not the same as I was when I began. And then you begin again. For more information on this subject, buy my book, Sifu Reader's Big Book of San Soo Stuff, available on Amazon, or join us on Patreon at Kung Fu for Self-Defense Online University. Check out my website, readerskungfu.com, for a free example of the things you can learn.